What's up, y'all? Back from Denver. Got these 2 free packs from LotaLorcana. Thanks again. Bought a lot from them. Check them out. Okay, first, Whispers in the Well. Let's see, how do you open these? I usually get boosters, but okay. Ugh. Wow. Come on. Okay, haven't opened Whispers in a long time. Let's go. Oh man, I'm excited. Love ripping packs. Okay. Got Li Shang, Raksha, the Horn King, Baloo, Basil, Ellen Wee, The Games of Foot, Judy Hopps, Flynn Rider, Duckburg. Oh, Cheshire Cat, heck yeah. Li Shang, okay, foil. But Cheshire Cat, that's very playable. Totally. Okay. Winterspell. Oh my gosh. We did Whispers in the Well, now it's Winterspell. How are you supposed to open these? Okay. Okay, come on. Is it an enchanted? Oh, Percy. Got Pot of Honey. Stitch. Amos Slade. Beast Castle. Distract. Rafiki's Bakura Staff. Pleakley. Wipeout. Darkwing Duck. Oh, we got a legendary. Anna. And a foil rare Dr. Hamsterville. Okay, I think we kind of plus, maybe, you know, Cheshire Cat. Heck yeah, very playable. We got a legendary. Thanks, LotaLorcana.